All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about Dogecoin. Yeah, this coin is jumping off the charts. Jump, jump, jump. It could have to do with the Twitter getting bought by Elon Musk. We're going to kind of do a little deep dive. What's going on? We're going to go to their website, check out their Twitter account. Big time gains in the last 24 hours. We're going to go and cover that. Also, at the end, we're going to talk about BUSD farmers and USDC crop farmers. Both of these projects are solid projects. We talk about cryptocurrency projects on this channel. We're going to talk about this at the end. They both have like locking mechanisms and taxes of 60% if you cheat the system, which are absolutely fantastic. All right. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help educate everybody about cryptocurrency, teach them a little bit, learn a little bit, and one day you even own some cryptocurrency. All right, everybody, let's head over to the Dogecoin. All right, over here, CoinMarketCap, take a look at this. Number 10, Dogecoin. Yeah, in the last 7 days, it's up a lot, 11%. But in the last 24 hours, it's up 20%. Come on, Dogecoin. There's a little thing right here next to it that says buy. Even Avalanche has got to buy, and Terra Luna's got to buy. Clicking it in the last 24 hours. I mean, come on, everybody. 21% up on the Dogecoin. People are loving the Doge. All right, look at this. This is in the last. It was at 12.3 cents, and now it's riding up the mountain. I don't know if this isn't going to come down. Last May, not this May, last May got all the way to 68, 69 cents. Are we going to see this again this May? Well, look at the last 7 days. I mean, it's crazy in the last 7 days, but in the last 24 hours is where the big jump is. All right, over the Twitter account real quick, it says Dogecoin is an open source peer-to-peer cryptocurrency favored by the Shibas worldwide. Elon Musk thinks we're pretty cool. Yeah, and that's why with Elon buying that Twitter, this could be a big thing here going on. Dogecoin dev Lola will be running for a free Dogecoin workshop at Paris P2P Festival on the 29th. Check out, and we will be there. All right, going to be in Paris. So here's something. Wow, speechless. Thank you, my Doge official, for the incredible, generous Dogecoin tip. And again, it looks like $1 million there. Million Doge, not $1 million, million Doge. It's been amazing to see the community re-energized the past year and projects like this spring up. We love everything we're doing. Tipping Tuesday, twitter.com/mydogeofficial. Take a look at that right there. All right, over at the website real quick, Dogecoin is an open source peer-to-peer digital cryptocurrency favored by Shiba Inu worldwide. We're going to come back to this. I want to jump over here. So on this article, now we know that the Dogecoin is up over 20% right now. But when this article was just written, Dogecoin surges by nearly 9%. Reports that Twitter will accept Musk's takeover offer. Future of Twitter trading in Frankfurt also jumped 6.48%. So a lot of things have to do with this. Dogecoin has surged by 9%, but we know it's really 20%. In the past, Elon Musk being close to purchasing the entirety of Twitter at $54.20 a share. Dogecoin surged as much as from 14 cents, from 12 cents, but we know it's a lot higher. Take a look at that jump there. It's going up real big. Well, here's the part I want to play real quick for everybody. Let's take a look.
Percent following reports that Elon Musk is close to purchasing Twitter. So the saga is definitely still continuing. So he is allegedly going to purchase Twitter at $54.20 per share. Reuters reported that Twitter is working out the terms of the transaction and could reach an agreement as soon as Monday. Now, while Twitter has absolutely nothing to do with Doge, a lot of people are speculating that if Elon takes the reins, we can see Doge payments on Twitter pretty soon. So, Zach, take it away.
So right there, if Elon purchases Twitter, most likely Dogecoin. I mean, we just read it on their Twitter account that Elon Musk really likes us. So this is a big, they're insinuating, but when you see a coin jumping 20%, I don't know.
Shout out to the people betting on maximum absurdity and reaping those rewards handsomely. I'm not that guy, but those people who are betting on the most fun and entertaining timeline unfolding here in the simulation, those betting on that happening seem to be in the green today. So hey, who am I to fault the people who are speculating that Doge could get rolled into
Dogecoin
some
surges
Elon Musk?
nearly 9%. But listen, it's not 9%. They surge 20%. It says the speculation that they'll be able to pay with Doge for ads and other things on Twitter. I mean, think about that. All the different ads on Twitter, they're going to say, how do you want to pay? I mean, again, this is speculation. How do you want to pay? Visa, credit card, or Dogecoin? Now, you know that literally Elon Musk loves the Doge. Earlier this month, Elon teased Doge payments on Twitter in a tweet. Proposed Dogecoin as one of the most payment options for Twitter Blue, the site subscription service with premium features. So they're already talking about Tesla already accepts Dogecoin. So look at that. Tesla accepts it for their online purchase stores. Musk has previously lent support to the Dogecoin development and adoption, such as May of 2021 tweets, and saw Musk state that he's working with Dogecoin developers to improve the system. So lots of good stuff going on with the Dogecoin. I mean, we're at a 20% increase basically in 24 hours. I mean, that's absolutely fantastic. If you're holding the Doge, you're liking it, this is one of these kind of things that you need to pay attention, because what if this thing shoots to the moon like it plans on? What if it shoots to like Dogelon Mars and it shoots to Mars? I mean, besides Dogelon being the cryptocurrency for intergalactic travel, maybe Dogecoin will be the travel to the moon. We already know that, we already hear that it's going to be on Twitter here real soon, and it's already, Tesla is already accepting it. So a lot of big things going on with the Dogecoin right this second. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. All right, we like to talk about cryptocurrency projects. We're going to jump between two of them real quick. BUSD crop farmers and USDC crop farmers. All right, so we're over here at USDC crop farmers. Let's talk about this. Higher grow and harvest. 8% daily, 29.20 APR. 8% game referral bonus. 2.5% recruit bonus. 12-hour compound timer. That's one of the features I'm talking about. There's a 4-hour with cooldown period if you're withdrawing. There's 48 hours reward accumulation cutoff, and a 5 times mandatory compound feature. So with all this being said, important notes: to ensure the stability and longevity of the project and enhance from the previous similar miner games, the crop farmer team has implemented a feature that would encourage and force farmers to continually compound taking profits. Users should compound X no of times. X no of times would be at least 5 times or longer before they withdraw. Should a farmer decide not to compound or hire more farmers, they're going to use their earnings and compound withdrawals, farmers will be charged a 60% feedback tax that will remain in part of the contract. In addition to further encouragement of the community to rehire and compound, there will be an additional 2.5% bonus for each compound action that the user will do, which will stack up to 25% for 10 consecutive times, 5 days by doing so. This will ensure that the long-term potential profit of every investor. The best strategy the team can recommend is to rehire compound for 6 days and harvest for 1. Kind of one of these 6-in-1 miners. You compound for the first 6 days, and on Sunday you claim. This will increase the user's investment at the same time increasing the daily yield amount. This strategy has already been tried and tested by several projects and improve its effectiveness. High risk funds that are used to initiate hire farmers include rehires cannot be withdrawn. However, the farmers will indefinitely work and grow crops for you. Please use the application at your own risk. So a couple things for me. I deposited 500 USDC. I've compounded so many times. I have not sold any crops yet. Take a look over here where it says hire. Right now, I got a 17.5% bonus. So what I've been doing, I've compounded 7 times here. By compounding 7 times, every time you compound, you pick up 2.5% up to 25%. The next time I can hire more farmers or compound my rewards is in 9 hours. Now, take a look at this. I put $500 in, and I'm already currently making $74 a day. Not too bad. Sold nothing. I'm going to actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this cart, okay, here's another thing. The cart will be full in 45 hours. Now, this is a anti-whale mechanism that you can't just put your money in, wait 20 days and claim your money. You have to interact with the actual system here. Also, you have to approve your USDC, whatever you plan on doing. Right now, if you bought a $100 deposit, you would hire 445 farmers. Pretty good. Right here. Every time you hire or rehire farmers at the time interval, the compound counter will increase by 2.5% with a maximum of 25%. I'm going to show you both of these. So good. My one right here, we're at 17.5% bonus right now. There's a whole entire rules and everything. I'll list the website on the bottom. If you like my content, please use my referral link so we can kind of get you started here. Again, all my information is for educational purposes only. Take a look at this. There's almost $500,000 in the program. Jumping over to BUSD farmers. Over here at my BUSD farmers. Now watch this. I put half the money in. I put $250 in. I've compounded to $661. I've already claimed $112. Well, 125 is half. So I've already received about 43% of my money back, which is fantastic. Same thing right here. I got a 5% bonus. In 9 hours and 2 minutes, I can actually do something. Now, take a look right here where it says 60% tax. I'm surely not going to claim my money and pay a 60% tax. That, again, in my opinion, was why these two miners, 6 and 1s, are fantastic, because they have the penalty that 60% if you take your money out too quick. But look, I can't even take it out right now if I want it. Now, I've only compounded 2 times, where on this one over here, I've compounded 7 times. When this thing hits 9 hours, I can go ahead and claim my money and then start the process all over again. This one, I have to get to 5 before I could do that. Just wanted to bring these two for you. They got the frequently asked questions. Check it all out. Let's head back over to Dogecoin for a little price prediction and check out their website. All right, everybody. So far, BUSD crop farmers, USDC crop farmers, 2 of my favorite projects. Kind of just got into it. I personally put 250 in one and 500 in another. Make sure you invest only what you're willing to lose. I'm not a financial planner. Do your own homework. I'm documenting my journey, so in 2 years from now, I can go back and look at these different videos and be like, wow. Another thing, too, is I definitely enjoy the different cryptocurrency projects, the different cryptocurrency coins, so a lot of good stuff. Let's head back over to, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon, the Dogecoin. All right, over here at your website, choose your wallet. What is Dogecoin? I just like to play this. This is pretty good.
Dogecoin is a revolutionary digital currency. It can easily be sent through the internet from person to person with total security. With instant transactions, you can send coins from Melbourne to Mumbai, from Madrid to Minneapolis in seconds. It's simple and safe to use, and is already accepted at online retailers where you can buy gifts, groceries, services, and so much more. What makes Dogecoin truly unique from other currencies is how its ease of use makes it the perfect way to instantly send cash gifts to people all around the world. You can send 10 cents to your favorite comment on Twitter, or $10 to your favorite band to purchase their latest album. You can even send $100 to a charity that you support. There's no middleman to take a cut, and the transactions are completely anonymous. If you are a creator, you'll find your fans can financially empower you. For the first time, you can directly receive cash from them, rather than a valueless like or retweet. You now have the opportunity to spend more time creating content and less time counting cents. Be part of something big, something groundbreaking. Within the first few months of creation, the Dogecoin community has already achieved great things, from funding Olympic athletes to providing clean drinking water to those in need. The community is welcoming and amazingly generous. You'll fit right in. So, how do I join in? To start, visit Dogecoin.com and download your own digital wallet. Then, join the community on Reddit, where thousands of helpful people will happily answer any of your questions, and where you'll also receive some free coins. Dogecoin, the internet currency. We'll see you on the moon.
All right, I always like that because it's right on the website, Dogecoin's website. Let's head over to Coin Market here for a price prediction. Again, this coin is up 21%. Here's my prediction. It's going to go to 20 cents. Now, again, all my information is for educational purposes only. Here's another prediction. It's going to go up. Twitter, Elon Musk, this is all happening right this second as we speak. It's going to probably be finalized. If the coin's already up 21% just for the speculation, what do you think is going to happen when Dogecoin basically is figuring all this out? All right, everybody, do your own homework. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. Dogecoin is jumping to the moon right now. I mean, 20% in a day. Come on, come on, come on. Click over here so you can see our most recent video. Don't forget to click right here so you can learn about BUSD crop farmers. All right, everybody, I'll put the description and the link about both of those if you want to check those out. All right, thanks for tuning in and have a fantastic day.